This previously unmentioned site will allow you to earn $10 in less than 2 minutes of effort. If you're looking for a simple way to generate money online, this is it. This needs no talent or knowledge, and anyone viewing this video may duplicate this method and earn money, regardless of where they are from. The good thing about this website is that you won't have to spend much time making decent money. There will be no need for you to sell or advertise anything. Hey there, welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. In this video, I will teach you the easiest way to earn money online with absolute ease. The website that we will be using is g2.com. For those who are not familiar with this site, this is a forum where users give ratings on various software and programs. This website has two functions. They promote software and also collect honest feedback from users. As you can see here, you can choose the right software and services for your business based on 1,423,900 plus authentic, timely reviews from real users. Yes, you are correct. This platform will help you also in looking for the best software for your everyday work. And if you scroll a little bit, you can see a lot of categories here. We have project management, video conferencing, e-commerce platforms, marketing automation, accounting, and so on. Here's the thing about this website. It's completely insane. First and foremost, you will be compensated for each review you leave on this platform. If you're camera shy, don't worry. This technique won't require you to record yourself while assessing software and upload it to the platform. You won't even need to make a video in this manner. By leaving those reviews, you will literally be making money. However, it will be best to continue watching to figure out what to do, otherwise, this will not work for you. If any of you are asking why this site would pay us to leave reviews in the first place, well, that is a very good question. This platform is helping over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 to make the right choice for their business. A positive review from you can effectively persuade someone to acquire software through G2. And of course, G2 would profit from it. That's why they're willing to compensate you for leaving reviews. All you need to do on this platform is scroll a little bit and click on Write a Review. This will take you to this page, where I will lead you through the full process so you can see what needs to be done in order for you to generate money. The first step in this process is to choose one of these categories in which to conduct reviews. You can choose advertising, e-commerce, retail, finance and accounting, and so on. It makes no difference what you choose. However, if you utilize a lot of software in one of these areas, you should go with that one. If you don't have any, pick one at random because it won't affect how much money you can make in the end. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. After you've chosen a category, you'll need to choose a piece of software. If you choose a category in which you have applications that you use, you should start by leaving reviews for those, since you can give an honest and in-depth evaluation and of course, be compensated for it. If you didn't find the software here, you may scroll a little bit and click on Search All here, and just simply enter the name of the software that you would like to do a review. If all of this software is unfamiliar to you, then you'll pick one at random. As an example, I will choose this one. On the next page, you just have to click on Review here. And here, you will simply click on Continue to log in so that you can create your brand new account. Now, in this portion, you will be signing in or create an account. You may use LinkedIn, Google Business, or via business email. I will recommend to you that you sign in either of these two, because if you sign in via email, it will take time because you will be entering a lot of information. The next step, regardless of which method you choose to log in, is the same. They'll ask you in this review how likely you are to recommend this to a friend or a colleague, and you'll simply choose between the number 0, which is unlikely, as you can see, and 10, which is extremely likely. Now, here's a method I'd like to offer to you guys that will greatly assist you in writing reviews. Go to Google and enter in the name of the software you're evaluating, and then just type in reviews next to that. This will now take you to the other websites where you may read reviews on that particular piece of software. You can then read them and post it on your own review on G2. In this manner, you can review products that you have never tried and have no idea what they're about. This is how you may earn a lot of money by writing reviews. They will now ask you to explain your experience once you have selected a number between 0 and 10. As you can see, you'll start by titling your review in this box before moving on to writing a product review. And now you can go to Google and look for a review site. Look up what others have said about the software in question and rewrite it on your own terms. It's important that you should not copy and paste other people's answers, as G2 will detect this and refuse to pay you for anything. Instead, you will be going to make it as unique as possible. You could, for example, read 10 separate product reviews. After that, you may basically write your own review based on what those individuals have stated. And as you can see here, you will enter what you like on this platform, what you dislike, what problems it helps you, and so on. Keep in mind that the only questions that are consistent throughout all software reviews are what you like and dislike about it. The rest will be different, and the types of questions you will see will vary depending on what you are reviewing. In any case, once you have completed all these boxes, you will submit your review, and for each review, you will receive between $10 and $20. When you think about it, that's ridiculous because writing that review doesn't take much time at all, maybe 5 minutes. Apart from taking minimal time, it also does not require any skills or competence in any field. By submitting reviews on all of this software, you make a lot of money quickly and easily. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.